Hello, I'm Roy Tansley from ProShift. I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of our latest semi-automatic PS3 gear shifting system. Fitted to this Ducati 1199 Panigale, the system features gear recognition, so it knows which gear it's in at all times. It also has wet and dry modes to allow, in wet mode, more ignition restore, ramping as you might call it, to allow better traction out of corners. We've exaggerated the ramping time for the purpose of this demonstration, however, it works extremely well. Okay, now we'll run it through the gears, firstly in dry mode with the auto blip downshift featuring, and then in wet mode again with the auto blip downshifter. It also has neutral acquisition, so it's easy to get neutral on vehicles such as this where it's situated between first and second gear. Thank you. For further information, please contact ProShift at proshift.com.